Hello, my little loves. I hope you're having a good week and a good day with your family. I hope that you are doing some of the learning packet that we've sent home. Hope you're reading every day. I've sent out a newsletter on Remind Today telling your parents different activities you can be doing. You can do AR using Clever, and I've sent them that login information. You can do up to 5 tests a day from 8 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can use the Epic app to find books that are AR books, and so then you can read them and listen to them and take a test. You can still do Remind, you can still do Prodigy. I hope you are reading. I said Remind. You can still do Reflex. You can do Prodigy. I hope you're reading something every day. There are lots of free resources right now for you to find stuff to read. Epic is a great resource. You should still do. Trying to think of all the stuff I've sent out. I'm still cool, right? Brain lapse. Okay. Seesaw. You can still do Seesaw. I'm sending out lots of stuff on Seesaw. Well, not lots. I'm trying to send out a little bit every day. I know that everyone has brothers, sisters, parents might be working. You have other stuff going on. I know it's hard for you to get in the routine of learning at home. I know it's hard because at home you're used to it just being, hey, this is home, we can just play. So I want you to try to do some learning stuff every day. I really like Seesaw because when you send stuff to me, I can listen to you, I can see what you've done, and then I can respond to you by typing you a message or sending you a voice message back. We've had several of you doing that, and I really have enjoyed hearing you. I really wish we were at school and able to do reading groups and like all the stuff we do every day, and I really hope that we get back to school soon. On Seesaw for tomorrow, I am sending you some stuff with long O, and so I thought maybe real quick we could do a practice with it. I know this is stuff that a lot of you already know. Some of us need reminding on it. Some of you, even if you already know it, you can always get better, right? So I made a chart. Let's see if I can get my chart in. So I made a chart with long O words. So we know when we have two vowels, our vowels are A, E, I. Hold on, my phone was telling me low battery. Okay, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And we know when we have two vowels together in a word, like when I have the O and the A, that both vowels can't talk at the same time. So when I see two vowels, the first one does the talking, right? So when I see the O and the A together, it's going to say O. Okay, it's going to say that letter's name, O. So I made a list of some long vowel O words. We have boat, coal, goat, ode, road, or oath, loaf, oast, coast. Okay. We also, sometimes we don't see this pattern as much, but sometimes we see the O with an E, and those are both vowels. So the first one's going to say O. And there's not that many examples, but the example or the activity on Seesaw for tomorrow has the OE, so I just wanted to remind you of this. So when the OE is together, the O is going to say O, like in toe, doe, and hoe, like we might use for a garden. Then, of course, we all remember the sneaky E, right? When I have O, then a letter, and then sneaky E, okay? And so when I see a pattern like this, the O is going to say its name because the E is going to say nothing, okay? And words like bone, I'm going to give you a second. I want you to try to read it with me. Robe, home, code, and get you so you can see it, slope, and hope. Now, why is my stuff backwards? Is it backwards when you're going to see it? I hope not. Then I'll have to do this all over again. Listen, y'all know Miss Faircloth. I'm not an artist, and I'm not good with technology, but it's something that I am trying. I shouldn't say I'm not good with it. It's something that is not just easy for me. So I have to really work at it, just like you have to work at stuff. So anyways, tomorrow, I want you to try to do the long O activity on Seesaw. And also, I'm going to be sending some stuff out on comparing numbers, okay? I'm going to finish this video and I'm going to make another one with comparing numbers because I want to make sure my video doesn't get too big that it will load.